Hello, welcome back. My name is Kenneth Williams, and this is what I do. I want to show you how to calculate the total square feet of a room or a building using only the width and the length and the wall height. Okay? But first, I'm going to show you in the reverse how to calculate and count by 16. First, you want to do 6, 2, 8, 4, and 0. So this represents 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, and so forth and so on. So I want to give you that. Then we're going to look at the base numbers. So these base numbers are simply width times length. For example, this is a building, and let's say this is 12 feet by 6 feet, right? So I'm going to give you a chart of those. They're called base numbers. So we're going to look at 12, 6 feet. We're going to look at 11, 7 feet. We're going to look at 10, which is 8 feet, and so forth and so on. So we can come up, this is 13 feet, this is 5 feet. So it's the width times the length. Now let's tackle one of them. Let's look at this room size with an 8-foot wall height. So we're using an 8-foot wall height with these numbers. So let's say this is 12 times 6, and that equals 72. Now there are two factors. The first factor is plus 288, right? So this is a base number, so we don't add anything to it, and that would equal 360 square feet, right? So the next base number in line would be 11 times 7, which is equal to 77 plus 288. The next one would be 10 by 8, which is 80 plus 288, right? And that gives you the total square feet, right? So if we were to do, any one of the base numbers, we don't have to add the 16 on it. But let me give you one with 16. So let's say we want to do any additional numbers in the 12s. So this would be 12 feet by 7 feet. So 12 times 7 gives you 84, right? Plus the same 288. And this one now is plus 16. And this next one would be 12 by 8. 12 times 8 is 96, plus 288, plus 32. So this number increases, which is why I gave you in the beginning how to count by 16s, which we're going to look at again, which is 6, 2, 8, 4, and 0. So that would be 16, 32, 48, 64, 80. Again, the same. Thank you. Have another part 2 coming shortly.